Hey guys, my name is Brian McGlenn here at MarineMax and Stuart. Today I'm standing on the transom of the S6 by Azimut. This is a 2019. Myself, along with a few of my colleagues, are going to take you through this boat today, show you a few of the cool features. Starting here on the transom, one of my favorite parts about this boat is the ability to house two toys. So first, as you see here, you have this massive garage that houses an 11-foot Williams sport boat. On the transom that I'm standing on, this is hydraulic, goes up and down. You can also put a jet ski on the back of here. So for a 60-foot boat, two toys to take over to the Bahamas or your long trips is pretty impressive.
I'd just like to do a quick walkthrough on the bow area. As you can see, there's plenty of seating throughout the bow. A nice lounge area through the bow. This particular boat also has the shade that goes out here that just clips in both of these spots here. Teak throughout the boat, and remote control for the stereo system out here. Nice walkways all the way around the boat. Power anchor, of course. It has the plow anchor, stainless steel, a couple hundred feet of chain. You can control the anchor from here, of course, up at the helm. Freshwater washdown.
Hi, I'm Carl Fleming. Here at the helm on this boat, we've got a full glass bridge setup with two Marine screens, a separate Volvo screen for all your engine information. This is a triple IPS boat, so you've got the joystick system on it. That, along with the bow thruster, this boat is extremely easy to drive. In addition here, this is a Seakeeper equipped boat. We've got your control for that right here. Super comfortable seats here that are fully adjustable up and down and forward and back.
Hi, I'm Patrick Corder, and today I'll be walking you through the Salon of the S6. As you make your way in, a unique feature to this boat is the accessibility that you'll have to your breaker panels, so you can control everything from inside the salon, and is uniquely camouflaged right there into the desk, as well as a pop-up TV that you'll have with a Bose sound unit below. We'll make our way over to the beautiful lounging area. Francisco Guida, interior designer, did a phenomenal job on this boat. And as you see, anywhere you sit or stand in this boat, you're going to have a panoramic 360-degree view of what's outside of the boat. He did a phenomenal job with the natural lighting, the natural hardwood that you see on the floors, as well as the cabinets. And then inside here, you're going to have Malay induction panel, as well as a microwave.
Hello, this is Bill Mascas with MarineMax and Stuart. This powerful vessel is equipped with triple Volvo IPS 700s, 550 horsepower each. They propel this vessel to about 35 miles an hour top speed, and right around 25 miles an hour for cruising. The range of this vessel is about 240 nautical miles. And here is the view from the inside. You can see the Volvo Penta 700s IPS, three of them lined up over here. With ample space here on the back, you will see all the power panels very clearly marked, very neatly. And right over here we have the Cummins Onan generator.